Okay, so this is Springs Landing, and it is off of Markham Woods Road, right near Longwood Boulevard. So it's kind of really close to I-4, and this is the entrance. So we're coming up on the property in just a minute. And as you can see, it's got some pretty nice houses here, all large lots, probably an acre or more. 3/4 of an acre. They're fairly big. Find out some really nice houses here. Super nice. A lot of tile roofs down the streets. Pretty conforming with.
In half a mile, turn right onto River Park Circle.
Driveways and everything. Looks like some bear crossing here. And this is going to be part of the Wekiva River Basin, and it's very much a river going right through here. And let's see what we got here. Welcome to Springs Landing. For current information activities, go to springlandings.com. Okay, so this is the neighborhood. All right. To the right here, I'm going to pull through, is we have a community clubhouse, and it looks like tennis courts, basketball courts, playground, and a swimming pool. Small pool, but still a pool. Nice travertine tile, nice barrel tile roof. Looks like at least 2 or 3 tennis courts back there. All right, let's go onto the house. Okay, so we're going further into the community.
Turn right on River Park Circle. Turn right onto River Park Circle.
Half-acre lots. I don't know exactly how big the lot is on the property that we're looking at.
Turn right on River Park Court.
We'll go ahead and
turn right onto River Park Court.
have a look when we get there.
Turn right on River Park Court.
Alright, so here's River Park Court. There's 100, and I see the sign right down there. These lots don't look as big, really. They're not as large. There may be 1/4 acre. I mean, their houses are pretty close.
Arrived destination is on your left.
Here's the neighbor's house, and they would be the house in question. Looks like it has a new roof, but you can see it's got looks like a pass-through driveway. Okay. All right, let me go up to the house. All right, so it's a 0.44. I mean, it's a 4 bedroom, 4 bath, and it's on 0.57 acres. So the roof looks brand new. Definitely have to check on it. Looks like it's been painted. Looks like we've got a golfer. That's pretty cool. There's an issue with that roof right there on that eave. It's caving in, so the decking appears to be rotten. Okay, so at 0.57 acres, and wow, it looks really nice. The yard is awesome. So you have a lot of total privacy actually in the back. Wow, it's really deep. Everything looks well manicured, and screens look intact. I mean, the pool deck looks really nice. I mean, it's got this flat stone. This looks like it just blocks the master bathroom, and she's planted some nice flowers out here to get a view. And those are pineapples, which are super good if you plant them outside and then you have a chance to get one for breakfast, but you gotta keep them safe from the critters. So one in my neighborhood was growing some pink ones, and when I was walking my dog, I was saying, wow, those are nice. And then a couple of weeks ago, I was walking the dog, and half the pineapple was eaten. It was a shame. And then, you know, a couple of days later, the other half was eaten. So, yeah, my dad used to grow them. Looks like we've got cracked driveway. And boy, they were good first thing in the morning on the weekend when they were able to be harvested. Yeah, yard is super nice, man. They will keep that up. So with the T111, cut to code. All right, let's go in. Okay, so here's your grand entrance. It's got a nice crystal light up there, a glass it looks like, and the doors are beautiful. It's a nice inlay in the front. And as we come into the right, okay, we have the formal living and through to the formal dining. You can see it's got really nice upgraded engineered tile or engineered wood on the floor. And we've got a nice big bay window here. They're impact resistant, all upgraded windows in the front and in the back with the with sliding glass doors. I'm just gonna stick going to the right. And the thing about the dining room is The chandelier doesn't stay. She's taking the chandelier. So, but you know, everything in here, you know, looks really good. I mean, they have popcorn ceilings, but other than that, the baseboards are nice. The floor is really nice. It feels nice and open in here. And as we go over to the right, I'm going to pass through. This is the right wing of the house, and we've got a huge master suite with a connected office. Now, it's got 4 bedrooms, but it also has an office that's not counted as a bedroom. So the master, again, we have impact resistance. We've got nice valances above the doors. We've got picture frame on them. It's vaulted in here. Feels really big. Looks like a queen bed and that can fit in there. It's possible that, you know, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. A king would just make it. This is probably, yeah, this looks like a king. This is probably a king. All right, but you know, you have a lot of room. 2 closets, one right here and one right there. So they're both deep. Okay, one side and the other side. Okay. All right, and I love the French pattern travertine. And you know, here's our master. I mean, floor to ceiling travertine tile. I mean, come on, she really knows how to make the house look good. And you know, you've got frameless shower that's impeccably clean. It's an Izzy tub. I've got one of those. They make them here in Claremont. All right, so you've got the marble or granite top here. Again, floor to ceiling. I mean, really nice. That's got to be the drain right there. That's a super nice drain, right? All right. So, and then, you know, granite counters, picture frame. Okay. Water closet with storage up here. Okay. All right. And here's in through the office. I mean, you have a pocket door here that's framed, and you go out and, you know, here's an office connected to the master. Okay, you have these custom valances up there, which are really nice. And you've got a lot of storage. You have a lot of room out here. It's got the engineered wood flooring as well, but there's also a door. There's no closet, so it's a true, you know, office and not a bedroom. So it's got the space. Now, the light just turned on behind me. That's the way I went into the master. I said a lot of these lights just come on. So here is the laundry room with the storage. There's my extra phone. Okay, sorry. Okay, so the AC is 8 years old. The hot water heater over here, and I can't really see it. She said she's put it in recently. You know, they've done some custom work to the reinforcements and whatnot to the ceiling. And it is a pass-through, so there's a garage door there and a garage door there. I think I pointed that out on the way. And then in through the, you know, mud room, laundry room, custom cabinets, nice pulls, shaker style, and then on through. Right? Okay, so I'm gonna go back to the entrance and come in through to the living room. Okay, so as we come in, nice high ceilings, nice corner fireplace, beautiful. Engineered wood floors again, all the way through. I mean, they have a really nice woodwork here in the, you know, built-in entertainment center. It's really nice, and there's a pass-through going into the kitchen, which she's done, you know, really a nice job with. Okay, and as we look up, we have the surround sound hookups and the skylights. And the vaulted ceilings just feel huge. Now this is like the creme de la creme. Okay, she's got floor to ceiling cabinetry in here, all molded, crowned out and molded. She has this wet bar. Okay, overlooks the back. Really nice, really nicely done. Okay. This is a really beautiful tile. Again, it's travertine, and it's laid in a French pattern. Great views, picture frame windows and doors. Okay, it's got a nice exhaust, big island, upgraded granite, tumble marble backsplash. And again, everything just fits and flows in here. Just so much storage. Nothing. No wasted space at all. And we have the pull-outs. Lots of storage. Okay, this is a brand new Thermador double oven. Brand new cooktop stove. Dishwasher, all GE. Microwave. Okay. All right, let's go to the second wing. So we'll go to the second wing of the house, and our 3 bedrooms over here. Okay, so the other side actually had a huge master suite with an office that was not included as a bedroom because it was a true office, but you still have 3 other bedrooms. Again, you have the nice valances up here above the window, nice big windows. You're letting in a lot of light. Okay, and closet there. And they really did a nice job with this bathroom as well, with the second bathroom. Okay, I didn't touch the lights, they came on themselves. So here's the shower stall, custom floor to ceiling tile. Nice tiles here, nice big place for the toilet. Again, custom, as you can see that. And then this is a Jack and Jill with a large window here. Bedroom number 4. This is a pretty big bedroom. Again, you have the custom valance. Look really nicely done. I don't see anything outstanding wrong in here. And then this bathroom, their full bath, and it is really nice. It's got the travertine tile floors. It's got the custom vanities, custom light fixtures, but then this, something you don't see every day, this kind of travertine tile laid in this pattern. This was a lot of work, totally custom. And they also have a shower that's the same. There you go. Look at that. Nice, very nice. Okay, and this has to be the pool bath. So here's the interior of the pool and the pool deck. It says this is Egyptian marble laid in a nice pattern. It says $150 a year, and they come